Hello everyone, welcome back. And in today's video, we'll be looking at pre-market data, and let's see what will be the reaction for before even market opens. Let's try to understand which direction market may open today. Okay, so let's try to understand and gain some insights from the data. So if you look at yesterday's data, actually FIDI data, the foreign institution investors sold around negative, like almost it is they sold it in 3,500 crores, something like that, and DIA bought 2,700 crores. So that is not a good sign actually, that very good actually. But today is a Friday, so that what we can infer from this. And if I go to global markets, and if I go to global markets right now, if I click on this global market, so and you can see that like S&P 500, Nasdaq, everything is green right now. You can see it's a very bullish right now. And European markets also closed green yesterday. And today Nifty, you can see that as of right now it is trading. Gift Nifty, it is trading around 20 points right now, okay, positive. And one more important index, which we can track is Hang Seng. Hang Seng is around 132. It's an around 0.6 percentage positive right now. Taiwan is positive, and others are little bit in a negative zone. And Shanghai is very much positive. It's not at all negative at all. So only Nikkei is negative, Kospi is negative, Jakarta. See, if you look at little bit today, we'll be having some sort of mild bullishness, or you can say choppy market, we may get to see today, because if I go back here, Nifty, if I open Nifty right now, so you can see that it is retracing back to a resistance here. So if you will look at it carefully, yesterday I clearly mentioned in a video that so it can go like this. This is where I mentioned. So today it may open like this flat, and it can remain sideways, or selling can come. That's what I said. So but looking at this global market, we don't see much pressure on the downside, but definitely there will be some choppy market will be on the card actually. Okay, so and Bank Nifty also. Okay, so Bank Nifty also, if you look at it, so today it might give some positive start, and or choppy start, and it can remain choppiness throughout the day. There is a possible, but there is not much panic in the global markets. That's what I just wanted to make this video to show you. So and a couple of stocks which I was tracking, Optimus Infra. Let me check it. Mm, Optimus. Let's see, Optimus. Yeah, Optimus. Okay, Optimus. Optimus Infra. If I open this, and this one is looking good, and today, let's say if it able to break this high, there's a high chance of it can perform well in coming days. Okay, so Optimus Infracom, and one day chart if I open, so that the line which I drawn, that has to broken like 665.65. So then we can see some immediate momentum upside if it breaks that. So yeah, this was the one stock which I was keeping an eye on. And one more stock is Hindustan Oil. Okay, that which I discussed yesterday. Okay, Hindustan oil exploration. Just keep eye on this stock. It's already broken. This is a chart idea. So just how to, for example, educational purpose, all these things. All right. So yeah, this is broken out of 209 resistance around that, and now it's trading at 214. So from this data, what we can infer is market is not panic at all today. So it may go in a like a negative zone, or probably choppy, we can expect. But like US data is telling 230 market close, right? Nasdaq, everything it is showing positive, very bullish. You can see the technical rating also at the right side. It's showing positive, but we can say choppy, or a little bit positive we can expect in today's market. I may go wrong, but this is my idea for today's market. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and I'll come with the next video. Until then, please take care.